If you ever wanted to know what it looked like up under the intake manifold on your 300 CE or 300 SL, this is it. This is all untouched. The throttle actuator would be no picnic. So 60,000 mile engine I just pulled out of a car just to keep the engine, the drivetrain. The car was totaled. But still planning to do an exhaust video on the Hammer. So that's going to be probably the next thing I post. So hopefully, I know people have been asking about that one. I want to hear that myself. Like I said, I just haven't had the time to shoot the video, but I'm going to do some drive-bys with that Flowmaster exhaust. I'm going to do something different with the engine probably this year. So I want to get this done before I do the next changes. But it's a cool old engine. We'll see what happens next with it.